Can AI replace software engineers? Artificial intelligence is changing many jobs by automating tasks, but can it fully replace software engineers? Let's find out. AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT help with coding, debugging, and improving the code. This makes work faster, but still needs human supervision. Although AI can generate code, it struggles with creativity. Designing big projects and solving unique problems needs humans because human beings are better at thinking outside the box. Furthermore, software development keeps changing. It needs teamwork, creativity, and the ability to understand users' needs. AI can't plan for the future as well as human beings can. Lastly, AI lacks common sense, moral judgment, and problem-solving skills for new issues. It also can't fully handle security risks or complex bugs without human help. In conclusion, AI is a great tool, but it won't replace software engineers completely. Instead, it will help them work faster and focus on more important tasks. The future of AI isn't replacing humans. It's AI and humans working together.